Hello students, today's topic is resistivity and its formula. We had learned in the last class resistance, on which factor depend upon the resistance, what is the formula of resistance, qualitative and quantitative representation of electrical resistance, means definition of resistance in the term of formula. Here, resistivity. What is resistivity? Resistivity is a property of material. Resistivity is a property of material, and resistance is the property of a conductor. Resistivity is a property of material, but resistance is the property of a conductor. Resistivity is a property of material which depend only nature of material and temperature. Nature of material and temperature. It doesn't depend on the dimension of a body, dimension of a conductor. Resistivity only depends on the nature of material and temperature, because it is property of material, but resistance is the property of a conductor. That's why resistance depend on the dimension of a conductor. Resistance is also depend on the nature of material and temperature, but resistivity depend only nature of material and temperature. It doesn't depend on the dimension of a conductor. First of all, here resistivity is a property of material which depends on the nature of material and temperature, because it is the property of a material. It is the property of a material. It is denoted by rho. It is denoted by rho. Now, the formula of resistivity is here expression for resistivity by Ohm's law, V upon I is equal to R, and we know that the formula of resistance according to the relation between drift velocity and current, what? ML divided by N E square A into tau. Here R is equal to what? Since R is equal to rho L by A, this is another formula of resistance. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, we get this equation and this equation. So here rho into L by A is equal to M into L divided by N E square A into tau. L cancel out, A and A cancel out, then rho is equal to m by n e square into tau. This is the formula of resistivity. This is the formula of resistivity. Means resistivity depend on what? Relaxation time. Resistivity depend on relaxation time because all the quantities are constant. Here m, this is mass of electron, n number of electron per unit volume, E charge of an electron. Means all the quantities are constant. That's why we can say that resistivity depend on relaxation time. Now next thing is microscopic form or vector form of Ohm's law. Microscopic form or vector form of Ohm's law. Microscopic. We know that according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. V is equal to IR. V means voltage, I means current. Means we can say that voltage को हम लोग measure कर सकते हैं. We can measure the voltage. We can measure also the current. But resistance is what? Microscopic. यह voltage क्या है? Macroscopic. और current क्या है? Macroscopic. But resistance क्या है? Microscopic. Means एक जो विजिबल है और दूसरा जो इनविजिबल है. तो एक मैक्रोस्कोपिक है, दूसरा माइक्रोस्कोपिक है. यह माइक्रोस्कोपिक फॉर्म और वेक्टर फॉर्म ऑफ ओम्स लॉ. मीन्स वेक्टर J is equal to sigma into electric field. This is the relation. Means the relation between current density, conductivity and the applied field and the applied electric field on a conductor is known as microscopic form or vector form of Ohm's law. Means the relation between current density, conductivity and the applied electric field on a conductor is known as microscopic form or vector form. Microscopic, micro means 10 to the power minus 6. Scopic means to see. Means 10 to the power 6 वाले 10 to the power 6 और 10 to the power minus 6 वाले साइज को क्या करना है आपको यहां पर उसको देखना है तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी. So here as we know that from the relation between drift velocity and current, from the relation between drift velocity and current what is I is equal to NEAVD. This is the relation between drift velocity and current. I is equal to NEAVD. N is equal to number of electron per unit volume. E is equal to charge of electron. A is cross section area. VD, drift velocity. This is drift velocity. Since the value of drift velocity is equal to what? E into electric field divided by m into tau. This is the value of drift velocity. This is equation 1. From equation 1 becomes what? I is equal to NEA, and the value of VD is what? E into electric field divided by m into tau, or I is equal to N E into E square A into E divided by m into tau. Here I upon area, current upon area is called current density. Current density means the amount of charge per unit time. The amount of charge per unit time that flows through per unit cross section is known as current density. Now I upon A is equal to NE square E by m into tau. Current upon area, the amount of current flowing per unit cross section is called current density. Means we can say that particular एक यूनिट क्रॉस सेक्शन से जितने अमाउंट में यह करंट फ्लो होगा, that is called current density. Current density denoted by J, and current density is a vector quantity. Is equal to what? NE square divided by m into tau divided by m into tau. Here NE square into E by m into tau. So we know that the value of resistivity is equal to what? Since the value of resistivity is equal to m upon NE square into tau. This is the value of resistivity. So here NE square by m into tau. So therefore current density is equal to 1 upon rho. Here m by NE square into tau, 1 upon rho into applied electric field. The reciprocal of resistivity is called what? Conductivity. The reciprocal of resistivity is called conductivity into applied electric field. This is the relation between current density, conductance, and the applied electric field on a conductor. So this is the microscopic form or vector form of Ohm's law. Vector forms of Ohm's law. Here current upon area is called current density. Now the definition of current density is what? current density. The amount of charge per unit time means current, the amount of charge per unit time that flows through per unit cross section is called current density. It is denoted by J. That is, vector J is equal to what? Amount of charge per unit what? Time divided by area. The amount of charge per unit time, that is current through per unit cross section, per unit area of cross section, that is A. This is the formula of current density. And SI unit is what? SI unit of current is ampere, and SI unit of area is meter square, means per meter square. This is SI unit, or current density is a vector quantity because charges flow, amount of charge per unit time, that is called current. Means flowing charge per unit क्रॉस सेक्शन, पर्टिकुलर एक यूनिट क्रॉस सेक्शन से जितना करंट फ्लो होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड करंट डेंसिटी. मीन्स अमाउंट ऑफ करंट इंडिकेट मैग्नीट्यूड और पर्टिकुलर क्रॉस सेक्शन से फ्लो होगा दैट इज द डायरेक्शन. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट करंट डेंसिटी इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. And the formula of current density equal to what? Current upon area. SI unit is what? Ampere per meter square. This is current density.